My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called AlumniLocker. This is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them, essentially. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, but sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. But then, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily installed and injected into the system. The ransomware encrypts files and also appends a special alumni extension additionally to the file names. So whenever users try to open this specific file, this is the message that they get, saying that Windows cannot open this file with the alumni extension. And removing this manually appended extension does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. We recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software. So the program will be initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So after it is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning the computer. By the way, this is that ransom note titled as How to Recover Your Files. Once again, be very careful, don't pay that ransom. Now, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but Premium license is a much better solution for getting your files protected and for removing this ransomware. Furthermore, you can always request for the fully functional free trial. And finally, we recommend that you always use Combo Cleaner. It will help you to protect the data. And you may find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.